y'all, it's Rachel and Amy from Just Be, and today we have an awesome beginner Pilates ab series for you. And it's great because it's an effective and quick, and so there's no excuse not to get one of these in each day. We're going to work the upper abs, the mid abs, and the low abs, which are really hard to target. If you are brand new to Pilates or to Just Be, make sure you check out our tutorial on how to do the chest lift. We have about neck pain and how to avoid it, and also about finding your inner core. It explains where the hips should be while we're doing some of these exercises. See you on the mat.
We'll see you on the mat.
Let's get started. You're going to start on your all fours like a cat, and you want to make sure that your hands are underneath your shoulders and that your knee is underneath your hip, so making 90-degree angles. And let's take a deep breath in, and on the exhale drop the head and curl the tailbone under, and breathing in and exhale, curl. So think of it like a cat stretch. Really press the ribs to the sky. Inhale and exhale. So the reason that we do this is because we'll be making this shape with our body in a few of the exercises. So we want to make sure that our back isn't so tight that it works against us. Oh, let's do one more. It feels so good.
It feels really good.
And exhale. Curl. Good. Okay, now we're going to come around to seated. So you want to come towards the front of your mat. That way you don't need to adjust too much later. And we're going to have the arms reaching open and low. So from here, we're going to inhale, sit up nice and tall. And on the exhale, we make that same shape of the back. Good. Inhale, sitting up. Find your sit bones, those two bones that are your butt, really. And up. So some of the challenges here, make sure when you go back that you don't let the shoulders hunch. You just want to go back to a point that your stomach muscles can do it on their own without the help of lifting the legs or scrunching the shoulders. And we're going to do one more time now that you've got it perfect. Inhale back and exhale up. Good. Now from here, use your hands for support as you walk yourself all the way down onto your mat. Good work. Okay, so I'm going to slide my feet in just a little bit and place the hands. I like to lace my fingers underneath the head, and think of that now as like a cradle or a hammock for your head and neck, just to support it. Lift the elbows halfway, breathe in, and exhale, lift all the way up to the very little tips of the shoulder blades, lower tips. Good. And coming down. So we have a great tutorial on how to do these correctly. Often people complain of neck strain while doing this exercise, so be sure to go watch our tutorial about neck pain, I think it's called, in order to make sure you're doing this correctly. Good, let's do two more. This you should feel across these upper abs. We don't have a lot of chance to use these during everyday life, so you'll feel they're kind of hard to fire up to begin with. I lied, let's do one more. Get up, they're nice and high. Good, and come down. Okay, bring your arms down by your side. And now I'm gonna have you gently place your low back into the mat, which is what we call imprint. Okay, so from here, we also have a tutorial on that when we go over inner core. But for now, you're going to breathe in, and on your exhale, keeping that low back placed on the mat, we bring the right leg up to a 90-degree angle at knee and hip. And now, bracing in place, we're going to bring the left leg up. Right leg is going to go down, and then the left leg goes down. Okay, we're going to repeat that. Breathe in to prepare. Exhale to help you brace the spine in place. Inhale the left leg up. Keep holding that nice and strong. Right leg down. And left up. Let's do that all in one breath. Inhale up. Keep inhaling. And now exhale down. One more time. we're going to reverse that. Breathing in and exhale, lift the leg. And inhale down. And down. Don't obsess about the breath. Make sure you've got the movement correct first. That is something to add in later. You just want to concentrate on not being wiggly woggly in your hips and letting the back arch, which might strain it. One more time. Now also the last thing is make sure you're not tensing in the neck. Yeah? You're going to keep that long and relaxed. Good. Okay, next we're going to add these together. So for a nice long hold. So the hands are going to come back underneath the head, creating that nice cradle. We're going to breathe in. Exhale, slide the ribs down and lift the chest. Good. Bring the right leg to tabletop with your inhale. Left leg to tabletop with your exhale. Keep that low back in the mat. And now we just breathe. Breathe in. And out. Good. Amy, I'm going to have you count. Okay. In. And out. Okay, so try not to fall out of your lift. So nice and high, supported by this cradle. And try not to arch the back. That's 4. You're halfway. Challenge yourself. If you are brand new to this and this is starting to fatigue, go ahead and lay down, regroup, and come back up. And then you remember the next time you do it that you're going to do it for longer. So listen to your own body, go according to your strength, and build up to these.
Last one.
Okay. Good. We're going to pull the knees in, rest the head. Good. So now just give the knees a nice hug, which releases the back in case it did happen to get any stress. And we're going to turn the head right to left in case the neck got any tension during the exercise. Okay. Next we're going to keep holding on to the legs. Use the arms this time to help you come into that lift. So use the muscles in your upper arm to help you lift, not making the abs and neck do it on their own. Then we're going to extend your left leg. Let's start 45 degrees, okay? And then you're going to change. And then you change.
This helps with the neck, doesn't it? To be able to keep
Yeah, to be able to hold up.
Yeah.
And it also feels good to pull the knee into the chest to give your glutes a stretch. Now, if you feel that your back is arching, this leg can always come up like this. And as you get stronger, the leg can get lower. Let's just do one more set. In with the right, in with the left, both in. Oh wait, let's go up a little bit higher. And then come down. Nice work. Head from right to left. Okay, set the feet down. Place your hands underneath your butt and or hips. Well, it is butt because if it's too high, it's not in the right place. So you want that when your leg comes up that their fingertips are peeking out the bottom.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. From here, we're going to lift that other leg up to tabletop. This helps you, having your hands here helps you stay in a little bit of a tuck of the pelvis so the back's not arching. Okay, so we're going to challenge that by taking the knees away from you or away from your center and then scooping in your low abs to pull them back up. Good. So today, if this is your first time doing this video, I only want you to move your knees away from you, maybe 3 inches. Okay? Then, as we get stronger, they may go to the ground. Maybe they don't. Every day can be different. We're actually only going to do one more of these. Inhale down. And
for the low abs.
Yeah. So good. So nice. Take her down. And then let's give them another hug. Next, we are going back to the way we started with the cat position on our hands and knees. Okay, so again, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. This time we tuck the toes. I might come a little square to you guys so you can see better. From here, you press your belly button to the ceiling so much that your knees are going to hover off the ground. So let's inhale, prepare first. Exhale, press tummy up, knees hover. Inhale, lower down. Start your exhale first to help you fire those abs and then lift the knees. Exhale, lift. Push down with the arms, lift up with the core. We're gonna do one more and then we're gonna hold it. We're gonna hold it, okay? Breathe in to prepare. Exhale, press the tummy to the ceiling. Get the shoulders set. Your neck is long. Breathe in. 2 more breaths only. In. One more time. Good, and then we're gonna set the knees down. Open the knees, put the feet together, and sit back and stretch. Oh, that feels good.
Yeah. That's great.
Good, and we're all done. So now just use your hands. We're gonna stack the spine up, the shoulders come back, and the head lifts. Nice work, team. So if you like this video, and we hope you do, please click the like button below. Share it with your friends. You might know some other friends who are just trying to get started in Pilates and doing workouts at home. Subscribe, and because we have these coming out each week, and we love teaching you. And see you next time.
See you next time.